So click on your Canva app, and if it is opened, it is either you register if you are using it first, or you just log in as a normal or registered user. Now that you've done that, you need to click on this hamburger shape. Click these three bars at the top. Now that you've clicked it, this is what it will display, and then you click apps. After clicking apps, you click on mockups. Once you click on mockups, this is where all the mockups are hidden. Now we said we are creating a phone mockup, so smartphones, you click on smartphones. Okay, let's scroll to find one of the free versions of this mockup. So here are free versions of mockup from this one that is wearing jeans, downward. So let's just pick one of it. Okay, let's pick one of it. Let's pick this. Okay, now you can now click on select, and then click on upload. After clicking upload, you can now navigate and can now select your image. It's a screenshot of Instagram page. So once it is completely added, you click on it, and click on select. After clicking on select, it will display automatically, but you can still adjust it. Now it fixed itself perfectly, but if you need to adjust, you just click on adjust, and you see, you just click adjust and adjust. If it needs adjustment, click on save, and then you allow it to load. Then you can now click on save mockup. Once you click save mockup, you are good to go. After that, you click on download, and you have your mockup right in your phone.